Over the last 10 years, I've worked as a kidney doctor in Greenville, South Carolina. During that time, I followed all the literature and all the medical recommendations for how to eat a diet that benefits your kidney health. I've also seen the tremendous burden that an unhealthy diet can have on people with kidney disease. It can make diabetes worse. It can make obesity worse. It can make high blood pressure more difficult to control. On the flip side, I've seen patients that have turned around their kidney disease by making incredible changes in their diet. I have one patient that I've been following for about 10 years who I was sure would be on dialysis or have had a kidney transplant by now, but she hasn't. And it's all because she has made these tremendous dietary changes. I am hopeful that by joining forces, the American Kidney Fund and I can help fill the knowledge gap of everybody out there who is looking for a way to eat better to protect their kidneys. Diet can help you no matter what stage of kidney disease that you're at. If you don't have kidney disease yet, but you have risk factors, changing your diet may keep you from developing kidney disease. If you have early stage kidney disease, meaning chronic kidney disease stage 1 or 2, diet may keep your kidney disease from progressing to stages 3, 4, 5. If you have stage 4 or 5 kidney disease, diet can make a huge difference in the rate of progression of your kidney disease. It may delay the time before you end up on dialysis and need a transplant, or in some cases, it may even prevent the need for those things. Or if you already have kidney failure and you're on dialysis, changing the way you eat can help you do better on dialysis. It can help you feel better. It can help decrease your medication burden. It can help keep you out of the hospital. So diet plays a tremendous role in the prevention and the management of kidney disease from early stage all the way to late stage. Many websites argue for a one-size-fits-all dietary change for people with kidney disease. So they may recommend the same changes for somebody who has kidney failure and who's on dialysis as for somebody who has stage 1 or 2 chronic kidney disease, when in reality, those two people should be eating a completely different diet. And in fact, the diet for people who are on dialysis is bad for the people who have early stage kidney disease. And the diet for people who have early stage kidney disease is bad for people who are on dialysis. I'm thrilled that I'll be able to add to the Kidney Fund's Kidney Kitchen website through delicious recipes and educational videos and online social media events. I think we can really bring a lot of excitement and fun into the kidney food world, and we can really help spread the word that diet can really transform your kidney disease. I hope you have your knives sharp and your cutting boards ready. Your taste buds will be in for a treat, and your kidneys will thank you too. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you never miss a new episode, a new recipe, or a new health tip.